Good afternoon guys again. Welcome back our channel. Idagdag natin tong 4-0 guys. Ito si guys 4-0. Yung pairing natin. Discuss natin guys. 2 PM guys. 2-2-4. Double guys. So continue pa rin tayo dito guys. Ito pa rin. Ito yung 2-4 natin guys. So 1-0-4. Yan guys. Skip ng isang buwan 104 bago mag-skip ng February. Ito siya guys 064, diba guys. Yung 70 naman guys dito, tapos ng-skip 70, skip naman ng mag-skip na naman ng April 70, kaya dyan ako kumuha. Sana guys mayroon to dito sa ano guys. Ito naman guys, itong 9 guys, tingnan mo guys, ito April 9 mayroong 9, pagka March may 9, pagka February may 9, pagka January may 9, pagka December day may 9. Bawat buwan guys dito sa 27 may 9 guys. Sana kung may 9 mamaya guys, tingnan mo guys, diba? Hanggang dito lang guys, wala. November 27 2024 may 9, December 27 may 9, dalawa, diba? January 27 986 may 9 guys. Itong February 27 mayroong 9, di masiro yung 9 guys ha. March guys may 9, 119. Pagka April guys mayroon guys 398 may 9. Baka ito guys may 9. Subukan natin to, tingnan natin sa angkol. Doon dito pa rin tayo bumasi guys at 261 si double eh. Tingnan natin guys, PC20 at saka 40. Ito siya guys, 261. Kung dito ka magbase guys 1 to mayroon guys 970. Ito guys, i-try mo to 5 o'clock 907, 709, 970. Yung 40 wala dito ka, yung 40 dito ka mag-umpisa sa last placer 1 to, pwede ka dito guys 704, 740, 407, 470. Ito guys, tandaan niyo to guys, paalaala lang yan guys 4-5 o'clock kung hindi mag double. Sige guys, see you again mamaya.